Hello, and welcome to AI's Next Gen Minds YouTube channel. Today, we're excited to show you how to create an AI avatar animation like me using ChatGPT, MidJourney, Elevenslab and D-ID. These powerful AI tools can help you create a unique and engaging avatar animation that can be used for a variety of purposes, from marketing to education. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating your own AI avatar animation step by step. So, let's get started. The first step is to create a script using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that can be used to generate human-like text. We will use it to create a script for our AI avatar. We have opened the ChatGPT platform. We will now enter whatever the script we want. Once we have filled in all the necessary information, we will generate a script using ChatGPT. Here's the script that ChatGPT has generated for us. It contains dialogues that our AI avatar will say during the animation. We can edit this script to suit our needs or generate a new script if we want to change our avatar's personality. The next step is to create our avatar using MidJourney. MidJourney is a platform that offers tools to create high-quality AI images. We have opened the MidJourney platform. Create your account in MidJourney using your email. Verify your email and start creating your images. To create images, go to one of the newbie bot channels. Type /imagine, and then whatever you want. I'm entering the text prompt to create our avatar and then hit enter. The bot will send you 4 images in 60 seconds. Click U numbered buttons underneath to get upscales or V for variations. Now save the image. So, we have our AI avatar now. The next step is to create an audio file using Elevenslab. Here we can convert our script that we have generated using ChatGPT to audio file using Elevenslab. Go to Elevenslab and create your account. I already have an account, so I'm directly entered to the site. Here we have some voice options. Select your suitable voice for your script. Copy and paste your script in the text box. Also, we have voice settings here. Adjust your settings if you want, and click Generate to create our audio file. Okay, it created our audio file now. Just download your audio file. That's it. Now we have our AI image and audio file. Here's the final step. Go to D-ID. Sign up with your email. Here we are going to combine our AI avatar and the audio file, so our avatar can come to life. Upload your avatar image that we created using MidJourney by clicking the Add button. Okay, we uploaded our avatar. You can see our avatar here. Next, we upload our audio file that we generated with the help of Elevenslab. Click Audio and then click Upload your own voice. Now choose your audio file. Okay, our audio file uploaded. That's it. This is the final step. Click Generate Video and let D-ID do the magic. Finally, D-ID created our AI avatar. Download the file here. Our AI avatar is ready now. Let's see how it looks. Hello and welcome to AI's Next Gen Minds YouTube channel. Today, we're excited to show you how to create an AI avatar animation like me using ChatGPT, MidJourney, Elevenslab and D-ID. These powerful AI tools can help you create a unique and engaging avatar animation that can be used for a variety of purposes, from marketing to education. And that's it. With the power of ChatGPT, MidJourney, Elevenslab, and D-ID, you can create an AI avatar animation like me that is sure to impress. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we can't wait to see what amazing creations you come up with using these tools. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our AI's Next Gen Minds YouTube channel for more tutorials like this one.